Hey guys, Jessica Beck here with IELTS Energy. Welcome to this lesson. Today I am going to tell you how you can improve your IELTS speaking score at home. I know a lot of you guys are busy adults, so this will really be beneficial. These strategies and ideas have helped so many students increase their scores. Thousands of 3 Keys students have gotten the scores they needed on IELTS, just like our student Anna, who got a 9 on IELTS speaking. Yep. You heard right, a 9. She also went from a 6 to a 7.5 in writing, but today we're focused on speaking. So I wanted to share that amazing score with you guys. Remember, if you want more lessons from me, get into our free masterclass. Go to allearsenglish.com/insider, and that is a free video masterclass with me. All right, guys, so how do you improve your IELTS speaking scores at home? Well, the key is balance, because you can't just practice IELTS questions. You can't just answer the IELTS questions over and over again. That's not teaching you anything. That's not improving. The more you sound like a rehearsed student, the more likely you are to get a 6 on your speaking exam. So the key is balance between developing your fluency in English, that natural spontaneity, and then the other part is practicing for the exam and knowing what the examiner wants. So that's why we have a study plan in 3 Keys IELTS that tells you exactly what to do every single day to improve your overall English and learn everything you need to know about the exam. So balance is key. So how can you improve your fluency? Here's a quick tip, guys. Every time you watch something, read something, or listen to something in English, I want you to talk about it out loud for 5 minutes, okay? Start by summarizing what you just heard or watched or listened to, and then give your opinion on it, okay? Talk about anything that comes to mind. This process is vital to improving how you can spontaneously answer questions, because you don't know what you'll be asked on the speaking exam. You have no idea what topic is going to come up. There are crazy topics, right? Like the animals and robots, you never know. So definitely put that activity in your study plan, you guys. Now, knowing the test, you need to know what the examiner is looking for, all right? Because it's slightly different in speaking part 1, part 2, and part 3. You need to know also how to organize these answers in the different parts and how to satisfy exam requirements. Again, it's different for speaking part 1, part 2, and part 3, all right? So learn the strategies, guys. Of course, I recommend our online course, which you can fit into your busy lives. Do it whenever you have time for. So guys, if you are ready to become a 3 Keys student and learn the complete system of strategies, go to allearsenglish.com/KEYS. All right, guys, so just to summarize, remember, develop your overall fluency, talk out loud to yourself as much as you can, and also learn the strategies and examiner expectations. All right, everyone, comment on this video and ask me any IELTS questions you have, and I might do a future video about it. All right, everyone, enjoy your day. Bye.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring exclusive bonus video lessons with Jessica, Lindsay, and Michelle. Get the app now at allearsenglish.com/app.